Thai night buffet. Please come and try at the Andaman Kitchen.